Mastering document automation with Python enhances efficiency in professional workflows. Python's robust libraries, like PyPDF2 and ReportLab, enable seamless PDF creation, extraction, and modification. Automating these tasks reduces errors and saves time, making it indispensable for businesses handling large volumes of documents. PDFs are a universal format, essential in business, legal, and data workflows globally. Manual handling of PDFs is time-consuming and prone to errors. Python offers powerful libraries for automating PDF tasks, allowing for efficient creation, extraction, and modification, thus saving time and reducing errors in professional environments. PyPDF2, now known as PyPDF, excels in reading, merging, and splitting PDFs. PDF Plumber offers precise text and table extraction. ReportLab is ideal for creating professional PDFs with custom layouts. FITS, or PyMuPDF, provides advanced editing, image extraction, and document manipulation capabilities. These libraries empower efficient PDF automation in Python. Utilize virtual environments to manage dependencies and isolate projects effectively. Install essential packages like PyPDF, PDF Plumber, ReportLab, and PyMuPDF using pip. Ensure Python 3.7 or higher is installed for optimal library support. Always create isolated environments for each project to avoid conflicts and ensure reproducibility across systems. To read and extract PDF content, utilize libraries like PyPDF2 or PyPDF. Open files in binary read mode and iterate through pages using reader objects. Extract text with the .extract_text left parenthesis method, ensuring efficient handling of multi-page documents. This systematic approach maintains memory efficiency while accessing and parsing PDF content with precision. To extract text from PDFs using PyPDF2, open files in binary read mode. Utilize PDF Reader to iterate through pages, employing the .extract_text method for text extraction. Efficiently handle multi-page documents with loops, ensuring memory efficiency. This systematic approach allows comprehensive text extraction across entire documents. Using PyPDF2, text extraction from multi-page PDFs is straightforward. Open the file in binary read mode, iterate through pages with PDF Reader, and extract text using .extract_text. This method efficiently handles large documents, displaying parsed output in the Python console, ensuring memory efficiency and systematic extraction. PDF Plumber efficiently extracts tables from portable document formats, maintaining structure and relationships. It automatically identifies table boundaries, converting them into lists of dictionaries or pandas data frames. This is ideal for analyzing invoices, financial reports, and structured data, ensuring data integrity for further analysis. To extract tables from PDFs using PDF Plumber, first open the file with a context manager for safe handling. Use Extract Table on the desired page to retrieve the table. Convert the extracted data into a pandas data frame for seamless integration into data science workflows, enabling efficient analysis and manipulation of structured data. Manipulating PDF pages involves reorganizing, combining, and transforming documents to meet business needs. Techniques include merging multiple PDFs for unified distribution, splitting large files into manageable sections, and performing page operations like rotation and reordering. These capabilities enable dynamic document management, aligning with specific workflow requirements. Merging and splitting PDFs with PyPDF2 allows for seamless document management. Merge multiple PDFs into a single file for easy distribution or archival. Split large PDFs into smaller, manageable sections by specifying page ranges. Perform page operations like rotating, reordering, or removing pages with precision. Transforming static documents into dynamic assets tailored to business needs. To merge PDFs using PyPDF2, initialize a PDF writer object. Open each source PDF with PDF Reader, then append their pages to the writer sequentially. Finally, write the combined pages to a new file, creating a single consolidated document. This process efficiently combines multiple PDFs into one, streamlining document management. The merging process involves combining pages from multiple source PDFs into a single consolidated document. This is achieved by sequentially appending pages from each PDF using the PDF Writer object. The result is a unified file that maintains the original content and order, facilitating easier document management and distribution. Design a watermark as a separate PDF template and merge it with target pages using PYPDF2. This allows dynamic watermarking for branding or security, such as stamping confidential on sensitive documents or adding logos to client deliverables. Watermarks can be positioned, rotated, and styled to meet organizational standards. Creating PDFs programmatically with Python allows for sophisticated document generation. By leveraging libraries like ReportLab, you can automate the creation of complex reports and documents. This approach ensures precision in layout, styling, and content, making it ideal for generating professional documents such as invoices, certificates, and business reports efficiently and consistently. ReportLab's Canvas application programming interface offers precise control over PDF layouts, allowing for the creation of professional documents like reports and invoices. Customize styling with fonts and colors to ensure brand consistency. Leverage automation to generate thousands of unique documents efficiently, maintaining consistent formatting across all outputs. Using ReportLab, define page parameters by setting the page size to letter and choosing fonts like Helvetica Bold for headers. Draw content elements such as client details and amounts due. Finally, save the PDF output to the file system, ensuring a professional and automated invoice generation process. Advanced PDF automation techniques enhance document processing by integrating sophisticated manipulation strategies. These methods streamline enterprise-level operations, ensuring compliance with regulations. Techniques include dynamic content generation, automated form filling, and batch processing, which improve efficiency and accuracy in handling large volumes of documents. Utilize regex to detect sensitive data patterns like social security numbers and credit cards. Employ PyMU-PDF for text redaction, masking identified text with black boxes or replacements. Ensure compliance with General Data Protection Regulation, Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act, and other regulations by automating redaction processes, reducing human error, and maintaining consistent privacy policy application across extensive document collections. Utilize PDF Writer to secure PDFs by appending files and encrypting with user and owner passwords. Control access with bitwise permission flags, allowing specific actions like printing while restricting others like copying. Implement 128-bit or 256-bit AES encryption to enhance security. Automate secure document distribution, ensuring compliance and protecting sensitive information efficiently. Automating PDF workflows with Python involves integrating extraction, modification, and creation operations into seamless pipelines. Schedule these scripts using cron or Windows Task Scheduler for recurring tasks. Achieve end-to-end automation by extracting daily reports from emails, processing data, and generating PDFs for automatic distribution, ensuring efficient, error-free document management. Automate invoice processing by extracting data with PDF Plumber, capturing key details like amounts and dates. Aggregate and analyze this data to identify patterns and discrepancies. Generate comprehensive reports using ReportLab, complete with charts and summaries. Distribute these reports automatically via email, drastically reducing processing time and enhancing financial insights. For scanned PDFs, use Tesseract OCR to extract text. Optimize performance by processing large PDFs in chunks and using generators. Ensure code quality with modular design, logging, and unit tests. Implement robust error handling for corrupted files and encoding issues. Validate extracted data against expected formats to catch errors early. Explore PIPDF2, PDF Plumber, ReportLab, and PyMU-PDF documentation for in-depth understanding. Dive into Automate the Boring Stuff with Python by Al Swigart and Educative.io courses. Utilize GitHub for open source scripts. Start with basic PDF operations, advance to table extraction, practice with ReportLab, build workflows, and contribute to open-source projects. Mastering PDF automation enhances efficiency by saving time and enabling powerful workflows. Leverage Python libraries to create enterprise-grade solutions. Continuously innovate by integrating automation into diverse projects. Begin with simple extraction scripts, expand capabilities, and transform document workflows into competitive advantages.